Hello everyone. In this video lecture, I will cover bitwise shift operators and short circuit operators. These two are available in Java. First of all, bitwise shift operators. Three shift operators are available. It performs the bitwise shifting left or bitwise shifting right. First is left shift operator. It shifts the bits of actual variable left side by specified value after the operators. See here, it is a, then less than, then 2. That means it shifts 2 bits in the actual value of a. If the actual value of a is like this, then it shifts 2 times bits left hand side. Uh, right shift operators, two types of right shift operators are available. First is shift right and fill with actual MSB bit, and it is called the sign right shift operator. Another is right shift and fill with 0. It shift the bit right with and fill the most significant bit with 0 value. It is called the unsigned shift operator also. So let us understand how this shift operator works. First of all, left shift operator. Whenever you are performing left shift operator with any operands, first of all, it's your computer converts your decimal value into binary value. Then it shifts the bit by bit operation left hand side by number of bits that you have used inside your equation, and then perform the binary to decimal conversion, and it generates the answer. Here I have taken this a as an integer value and a having the value -8 inside it. So first of all, this computer represent this -8 into 30 bit 32 bit. So that means your all the bit will be starts from 0 to 31. This is the bit representation of -8. To represent your negative value in a computer, you have to perform 2's complement over the actual positive value. So here I have represented the value of 8 in a binary form. It is equals to 1, then 000, 1, then 00. Sorry, 1, then 000. Then perform the 2's complement over the actual value. To perform a 2's complement, you will get this value. To perform 2's complement, you have to go from right to left until first one comes, then complement all the bits. Say for the example 0 0 0 0 0 0, first one is over here, so put this one as it is, then complement all the bit value. Here all are zeros, so you have to put 1 instead of 0. Complement of 0 is 1, so you will get the representation of -8 like this, right? Now see, here I have used the shift left 1 bit. That means you want to shift this all the bit 1 times left. So here this least significant bit value 0 will come over here, this 0 will come over here, this 0 will come over here, and your most significant bit, this 1, will be discarded, and you will get your this value over here. Here is a 1, right? And you have to fill your least significant bit value with some bit, either 1 or 0. So we are filling it always with the 0, so fill it with 0 value. Now this is the actual answer. Now in your actual answer, when your most significant bit value is 1, you have to again perform the 2's complement of this value. Perform the 2's complement, because your most significant bit 1 indicate it is a negative value, so you have to put this minus sign, because your MSB bit value is 1, so -1 sign is because of this 1 bit. Now put the now find the complement of this value, so you will get this value 0 0 0 0 0 as it is up to this 1 as it is, and then make a complement of all the numbers, because this is the first number from right to left, so put it over as it is and then perform the complement. So you are getting this number, and this is the representation of 16, number 16, right? So whenever you are performing the left shift operation, you will always get your value in multiplied by of 2. Say for the example, here 8 is available, you will get your value multiplied by 2 in multiplication of 2, because you are shifting one time left. Your number will always going to increase. Now just perform the left right shift operation. Whenever you are performing the right shift operation, you have the two operators are available, 2 greater than sign. If you are using 2 greater than sign, at that time what will happen? Here again the 32-bit representation of this 8, number 8 integer occupied 32-bit in Java. So here the representation of 32-bit. Whenever you are shifting your bit right, at that time your least significant bit will be cancelled it out, and you have to fill your most significant bit, because what you should fill over here, because this most significant bit of actual value will be shifted right. So you have to fill this value with what you will fill here, 1 or 0. So if you are using this sign, it always fills your most significant bit value in 2 position, first and this position. This is the basic difference. Keep in mind, here you are going to fill the value of most significant bit whenever you are performing a shift operation. So you will get this answer like this. You will get your answer this 100, and it is a representation of number 4, right? Now think about the negative value. What happened whenever you are using the negative value and you are performing the sign shift operation? Whenever you are performing a sign shift operation, here -8. So first put 8 in a binary, then perform 2's complement, that was 0 0 0, then 1 as it is, then complement of all the numbers from right to left. When you get first one, then shift your this actual value by right by 1 bit. So you this least significant bit will be discarded, and this you have to fill over in a least significant bit. Now what happens, what we should fill inside this most significant bit whenever you are shifting or all the bits right? So you have to fill your most significant bit value over here as well as over here. So you are getting your value like this overall value of 32 bit will become like this, and this is actually a first bit is MSB bit is 1, that means this is a negative value representation. So you have to find the actual value by performing the 2's complement. This first bit 1, that means minus sign you have to put, then complement this value, perform a 2's complement of this value. So you will get 4. So the actual answer is -4. So whenever you are performing right shift operation, and this is a sign shift operator, whenever you are performing right shift, you will always get your actual value divided by 2. See here, in previous example I have taken 8 and you are getting the answer equals to 4. In this example I have taken -8 and we are getting the answer equals to -4. Now what happened if you are performing the unsigned shift 3? The difference between this 2 greater than sign and 3 greater than sign, 3 greater than sign is called as an unsigned right shift. That means you have to fill your most significant bit with the value equals to 0 over here. See here, we are never filling our first bit with the MSB value available in actual value. We are always filling it with the 0 value. So you will get your answer like this. That means here 32 bits, first bit is 0, then all other bits you have a 1 1 1 1, Then seventh bit is also 1 up to second bit you have 1, only first bit is 0 and last two bit is a 0. And this is not a negative number. Why this is not a negative number? Because your most significant bit is 0, not 1. So you will get this value as an answer. If you want to see, is it a representation of binary value? Yes. See here. I am having this calculator, binary calculator, programmer calculator. See here, first 0 bit, then all other bits having 1 bit, 1 in their value, and last two bits are 0. So this is the representation of this number 21474836444. So whenever you are performing your uh, unsigned right shift, you will always get the value in a positive way, as a positive value. You will not get your as it is sign which is available in actual variable. Now let us try this in try it. So we have learned this all the shift operators. Now let us try these all the shift operator in our computer and find it out whether it works the same as we have learned in our lecture. So let us try, and we will try this in our next continuous video lecture. So please see my next continuous lecture to try this whole code uh, and try to execute it using Java compiler and find out the output and whether the output is matched with our calculation or not. So thank you all of you.